Thursday, March 3rd, 2022. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I got a busy day ahead of me. Welcome to my day in the life with the Galaxy S22 Ultra.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found she did them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She wants the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on.
Hey guys, it's Nassim here, and welcome to my day in the life with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And now what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how the Galaxy S22 Ultra holds up with moderate to heavy use. So I'm going to be doing things like playing games, taking pictures, recording videos, and anything else that a normal person would do on their phone. And also, if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments what phone you want me to use next. And now today is going to be a very calm and relaxing day because it is my off day. And first I want to go to the beach, then I want to go get something to eat, then after that I want to go to the gym, and last but not least I want to go to the movies to go see the new Batman. But before I leave, let's take some quick pics. So now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave my house so that I could be able to make it to the beach and then get something to eat. And while I was waiting for the elevator, I decided to check my phone, and right now it's 10:28 a.m. and I have 96% battery left, which was a pretty great way to start the day. I had a full tank of gas, a full stomach, and was well rested enough to carry out my plans. Alright you guys, now I'm about to go over to Venice Beach and we're gonna do things like record, take pictures. I may even be on my phone a little bit because I do want to get some extra time in. But what I want to do is I want to get that battery usage and that watch time up so that you guys can really get an idea of just how good or bad this battery is. Now I'm heading over to Venice Beach and it's 10:37 a.m. and it's traffic on the way, so the drive is 44 minutes, and I'm going to use this phone as my GPS, and we'll see what the battery is like when I get there. Now I got to the beach at 11:27 a.m. and I had 84% battery left, which was okay since I had the phone on GPS the whole time. Alright you guys, so again I'm here in Venice and it's looking really beautiful right now, so I want to just take pics, take videos, and really just see how much it does the battery. And again, I'm not gonna lie, 83% is still actually really good because I actually ended up in more traffic and I have 5G on. And I have my brightness up because in LA the sun shines like really hard and there's no shade. So far it's actually pretty good. But I'm not gonna waste you guys' time, so let's get right into it. Now after walking for a while, I sat down and decided to listen to some music and vibe out while enjoying my surroundings since it was a beautiful day outside. And after a while of me taking everything in, I let my music play in the background while I checked my Instagram to see what my friends were doing. And I also checked up on my Twitter feed to see what the tech community was up to so that I could rack up some screen time before I got something to eat. Now once I got to my car, I checked my phone and the time was 12:41 p.m. and I had 58% battery left, which means that I lost 26% worth of battery, which isn't that bad since I did a lot on it. And alright you guys, so again I say I'm at 58%. Again, this is actually really good because I use the phone a lot. And now I'm about to go get something to eat and I'm gonna see you guys there. Now I'm headed over to Roscoe's. And you can see that it's a 23-minute drive. And again, I'm going to use the S22 Ultra as my GPS and let you guys see what the percentage is after the drive. Now I got to Roscoe's at 1:17 p.m. and my battery was at 49%. Which wasn't too bad since I ran into some extra traffic. All right, you guys, like I said, I'm here now. I'm at 48%. Again, this is with 5G on. This is with like my brightness up. And this is also with me running the GPS the whole time. So again, I think this is really good. I'm not putting no power saving on. This is a full like battery test. But what I'm gonna do is when I get in here, I'm gonna take photos. I'm gonna be just scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through Twitter while I wait for my food. But honestly, I wanna show food pics. I wanna show videos of me eating because I want you guys to see how good the camera is on the inside. So let's see. Now while I was waiting for my food, I decided to play some games so that I could shed some time and keep myself entertained. I also went on Twitter to catch up on some latest news and see what was going on in the tech community. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, I'm done. That waffle, man. But I'm gonna see you guys at the car. Alright you guys, so now that I'm out of Roscoe's, what I wanna do is I wanna go home, I wanna change, and then I wanna go to the gym. And while I'm on my way home, I'm gonna be using the GPS again, 5G. Brightness is up because the sun is shining crazy right now. And again, we're going to see how the battery looks. So now that I was ready to go, I checked my phone and it was 2:06 p.m. and I had 39% battery left. Now I'm using the GPS and the drive back home is 49 minutes. So I want to see how the battery still holds up. Now I got home at 3:01 p.m. and my battery was at 27%, which means that I lost only 12%, which is really good because a lot of other phones would have been at 15 to 10%. All right, you guys, so now I just got home and what I'm gonna do this real quickly. I'm gonna just go in there, change my clothes, and I'm gonna come right back out. See you guys there. Alright you guys, so now that I've changed, I'm in the car. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drive to the gym, which is about 10 minutes away by driving. And I'm basically gonna film myself working out and also trying to get some pictures in and just really test out the battery, because I'm also gonna be playing music while I'm listening to my headphones. So I'm gonna see you guys there in 10 minutes. Now, after a 10-minute ride with the GPS on, I got to the gym at 3:52 p.m. with 20% battery life left, which means that I was able to get through my workout. And while I'm in here, I'm going to be recording, taking pics, and listening to music. So let's see what that does to the battery. Alright, you guys, I've done my workout and this is the end of the day in the life. And I wanted to thank you guys for spending the day with me and seeing how the Galaxy S22 Ultra holds up. And if I'm being honest, I think that the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it doesn't really have a terrible battery, but it also doesn't have an amazing battery. And I say that because a lot of people were saying that the Galaxy S22 Ultra had horrible battery, like the battery was the main problem. But honestly, if you want to buy the S22 Ultra, I would say that you honestly can, because it still is a good battery with heavy usage. And I feel like it's nothing out of the norm. Like, if you want to get the phone, it's still a great phone. It still has pretty okay battery. And honestly, you'll still have a great time with it. So the S22 Ultra for me is a go. And also the camera is amazing. Now my final time is at 4:48 p.m. and I have 6% battery left, which means that the S22 Ultra has a great battery that can last you all day if you are able to utilize the power saving mode. And finally, my on-screen time was 6 hours and 3 minutes, which did put a pretty good strain on the battery and still was able to last me for most of the day. And alright, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.